Hello and welcome to Tech Idea. This- Here we make tutorials on topics that might help you in one way or the other. And today I'm gonna tell you a few tips and tricks on Outlook. So, first and foremost, it's online Outlook is very simple to use. And if you ever wanna go to your contacts or calendars, it's right there. So make sure you're not opening up new tabs. Remember to use the accessibility that's given to you. You can also access Word, Excel, PowerPoint right from the left side or the sidebar. And if you're ever stuck with any questions regarding Outlook and you need help basically fast, you can always select this button, which is going to be highlighted as a question mark, highlighted as help. Over here I can search for anything like junk email or how to send emails to junk. See? So remember to use these functions as they're gonna be helpful. And they feature you some helps as well, like importing contacts, add addresses. So Outlook is very simple to use, and thanks to these, Outlook makes it even better. And if you want to see news, you can also catch up on news very fast. Just hit this what's new and we can see they're giving us COVID-19 updates, calendars, stay in touch and everything. So yeah, hopefully these tips and tricks regarding Outlook is going to be helpful for you. If you like this video, drop a like, and if you want to see more tutorials like this in the future, don't forget to hit that subscribe button as well as hit that notification bell. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.